Hello there. Do you like to draw country balls? Well, today I'm going to teach you how to draw country balls. Country balls are like a cartoon style of spheric characters decorated with their country flags. Watch the video through the end if you want to learn about drawing country balls. So alright, let's get straight the tutorials. First things first, draw a perfect circle. You can choose any stylish paint brushes or pen as you like. So alright, I am about to draw a circle. Doesn't matter how circle isn't perfect, you can do it several times to get this circle perfect. Now the second step is drawing a flag, so I'll basically doing with Czech Republic. You can do it with other flags as you want, or your own flags. Now the next step is drawing eyes. You can draw any type of expression such as angry, sad, happy, etc. Now here's the Czech Republic ball. You can add details by adding shades, background, etc. There you go. One nice beautiful Czech Republic ball, perfectly drawn. You can add any type of accessories as you want, such as hats, props, etc. So alright, I hope this video helped you about drawing country balls. Did you like it? Leave a like. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you don't want to miss new recent videos.